Welcome YouTube. Welcome YouTube. It's your boy, Fila Hemi Life. Today, we got a new one for you. It's in the box. Check it out. What's in the box, Fila? What's in the box? It's looking good here. Genuine Mopar product. So what's in the box, Fila? What's in the box? Okay, it's time to show y'all. Interesting. Lots of paper. Ooh, what's in this box, Fila? What's in this box? Let's check it out. Open like this. It's boxes and boxes and boxes. I hate when it's boxes and boxes and boxes. This is heavy. So let's see. What is it? What does that look like? Ooh! What is that, YouTube? Ooh! Nice! That's in the box. Maybe this is some special Mopar jewelry. Not sure. What's in this box? Let's see. YouTube, that sounds like noise. That don't sound like a Mopar. That sounds like noise. I don't know what this is, YouTube. It's a what?
Cover.
A cover, some kind of cover or something. Seems like a whole bunch of stuff in here. Take a look. There's all kind of good stuff in here. This is a Mopar part. All of this stuff is genuine Mopar parts. These are spring valves. Do we really have to open the box? They're spring valves. Simple. Something in here too. It's not that heavy. something in this little box. Let's see, it's a genuine Mopar. Everything's genuine Mopar. Tie bar, rocker shafts. And that's apparently the end. So now that you've seen all these little parts, and if you don't know what it is, I'm gonna now explain to you what it is. So I have an RT Plus. It has a stage 1 Scat Pack kit. You see the 1, you see the B. What this means is stage 1 Scat Pack. Okay? So for the 5.7, they have stage kits. Stage 1 is already on it. That's the exhaust, the racing PCM, high oil can, and the cold air intake. I'm now going to stage 2. All of this here is stage 2. Pulley, tie bars, new cams, and some other stuff. But that's what's in the stage 2 kit. According to them, I should have 47 more horses. So that's right, this is a magic unicorn that should give me 47 more horses. And I should be a little bit faster. Doing some work on my car now, it's time for modding. This is the first mod of many to come for the 2019 season. Also, there will be much, much more. So don't forget, stay tuned. Don't forget, please subscribe to the channel, Fila Hemi Life. Don't forget, I can't stress this. Please subscribe, comment at the bottom. And also, come follow me on IG. IG, the name is the same. It's Fila_Hemi_Life. Don't forget to follow me on IG. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And with that, guys, it's another one. I'm out of here. It's your boy, Fila Hemi Life. Live here, East New York, Brooklyn, Highland Park, baby. We out.